Hello dear students, I am Prabhat Dubey, your PhD teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Today we will discuss about the effect of liberalization and privatization. Okay, we need to understand what is the exact effect of all these phenomena that were brought about into 1991 by Dr. Manmohan Singh under the leadership of P.V. Narasimha Rao, our former Prime Minister. So we discussed about the scenario, about the changes that were brought about. Now we have to discuss the impact on business. So first thing that comes in our mind and that is mentioned in your book is increasing competition. So how the liberalization, privatization and globalization increases the level of competition, it is to be understood. Okay, you know very well that if there is a monopolistic market, a single manufacturer, a supplier is present in the market, then he can dictate the norms. He is free to quote any price for his product or service. Nobody can challenge, and you are forced to buy the product or avail the service that is being provided through a monopolistic manufacturer or service provider at any cost. But if there is availability of more than one manufacturer or supplier or service provider in the market, then there would be a competition for quoting the price or providing better services because there are options before the customers. If you have option to choose from several manufacturers or suppliers, then you will choose the best one that will fetch you good quality product with the least possible cost. So the companies are also being pressurized to provide good quality product and to keep the cost at even lower in comparison to the other suppliers. So this battle of improving the quality and decreasing the cost helps the customers and ensures that they get good quality product at lower cost. Earlier, there was no such type of competition because our economy was closed. And if competition was there, that competition was not that much stressful. But now you can witness for each and every demand and want of the customer, there are multiple types of products, several products that are carrying same type of features are available in the market. That's why companies are pressurized. You can witness this in the sector of mobile telecommunication, the mobile sets that are available. Several types of companies are manufacturing mobile sets, and if you choose for any specific criteria of your mobile, you will find that almost 5 to 6 good companies will offer you the same product which carry the same quality within nearby price, because companies are forced. If one company is offering the same product at a lower cost, you cannot keep the cost too high. You have to quote comparable price, otherwise the customers will move to the other company. Such type of pressure is enjoyed by the customers. Okay, so the globalization has provided this type of advantage to the customers. Earlier, the suppliers and manufacturers were enjoying the market scenario. Now the customers are enjoying. So you can say that earlier the market was based on selling concept, but now the market is based on marketing concept. If your products are carrying good feature, you are providing good type of service, the customer reviews, after sales service, on each parameter, if you are doing good, then only you can stand for long in the market. Otherwise, some other company will replace you. Companies are ready. If you are not giving proper importance, if you are not giving proper redressal mechanism to your customers, even a good reputed company can be washed out from the market. Okay, now we come to the second one. More demanding customers. Okay, customers demand for good product, innovation, addition of new qualities and suppression of bad qualities in the product. If there is any malfunctioning in the electronic equipment, you have to take proper serious note on that. If the customers are complaining that in any electronic gadget there are some specific type of problems. You know that on digital format, the customer reviews are there that pressurize the companies. If the customers are complaining about any particular fault in the product and you are not giving proper weightage to their reviews, then it will create a bad impression. The money that is being used for the promotional campaign, marketing, all will end in bad impression. Okay, in spite of all the hard efforts that you are making to popularize your product, the level of popularity will go down. People will start avoiding your promotional campaigns. People will not like buying your product. So this digital platform that is backed by liberalization and privatization is providing customers a specific type of scenario to demand for good quality product. Okay, some examples are mentioned in your book that producers became key persons in the market, but after new economic policy, many more businessmen joined the production line, and various foreign companies also established production unit in India. As a result, there was surplus of products in every sector. So, if the market is saturated, then you have to attract the customers. Earlier, there was more demand, but it was backed by less supply. Now, the supply is good, but the demand is decreasing because the purchasing power of the customer is being degraded. Even in this period, the demand is at an alarming lower rate. So you have to create the demand. If there is no demand, then economy will go down. If there is no business, then no taxation. If you are not doing any business, you will not pay any tax, and if the tax is not being paid, then the revenue of the government will go down. The government will find it hard to finance the infrastructure development projects that are the backbone of our country. If you are not providing good transport, good real estate and other facilities, amenities to the business enterprise, common person, then it will result in degradation of the GDP and economic performance. So next one is rapidly changing technology. As we know that before 1991, the pace of technological upgradation was low, but due to the advent of several types of modern techniques, scientific innovations, research and development, technology is changing at a very fast rate. So it is pressurized